What's in the box?
All right, so Chris,
Nicole.
the Nelson's notes. So I don't know. This company went and they were advertising this stuff online for sale, and I'm a sucker. I'm an easy sell, and I figured I'd buy them. How do you pronounce that?
I would say Kamikoto. Kamikoto. That's the closest.
Kamikoto. So anyway, they were running this deal, and they suckered me in, and we ended up getting this.
A box.
A box. Feels good. What do you think? How's it feel?
It does. I was touching it earlier.
It's wood. She was touching.
Rubbing the wood.
She was touching the wood. It's got a nice, like, really nice metal clasp there. It's like not like one of those cheap ones. Yeah, I guess.
I didn't even look at it. No, I didn't see that. It's fancy.
So it's fancy. And then inside, hopefully these don't fall on my toes. There are knives, and like the box actually feels like it feels good. Like it doesn't.
And the lid stays open.
You try it.
It doesn't fall down on you. Yeah, and it's got like actual real hinges.
It stays open.
It's nice.
Real hinges.
Yeah.
And then inside you have the Kamikoto Japanese Hanshu certificate of authenticity. So nice thick paper. What do you think?
Yep, nice thick paper. Look at that. Yep.
And then we have
Honshu, Japan.
Where's it from?
Honshu, Japan.
Here, why don't you read it?
Each Kamikoto knife blade is forged from high-quality steel from Honshu, Japan. Kamikoto pays tribute to the centuries-old tradition of Japanese knife making to craft a solemn blade that will stand the test of time, handmade using traditional methods handed down by expert knivesmen through the centuries. And it's signed by someone.
Mr. Kamikoto.
Yep.
Mr. Kamikoto was kind enough to sign that. And then you get this this foldy thingy with a couple other knives. Or no. Oh, no. It's sharpening and care and cleaning and storage and stuff like that. So that's what you get inside. And again, you have these. So how do they feel? Why don't you take one out? So do the little one.
They're heavy. The handles are heavy.
The handles are heavy.
Yeah, well, the whole thing. But it's, yeah.
I don't even know what that is. Like it's not like wood or anything. It's
Does it tell you? Sometimes they're like not ivory.
No,
but
it's definitely not ivory.
I'm not saying ivory.
You're buying it for ivory. I don't know what it is, but it feels good, like in your hand. Like it's like a triangular shape. I don't know. It feels good. It feels real stabby. Real stabby like. And then so that's more like the paring knife, I guess that would be. They don't really give you a description of.
I was gonna ask that. They tell you what.
No, so that would be my fault. I should probably go back to my purchase and take a look at what we actually.
Paring knife.
Paring knife. I'm gonna go with a paring knife. What do we have next?
The big knife.
The big knife. The big daddy.
Ooh, careful now. This is gonna be the last one. The last.
And like all the knives have, you can see the. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so they're all like engraved with the name. And then this big like cleaver guy feels really good too.
Let me feel this one.
It's got some weight to it.
Yeah, but it's not too heavy.
Not too heavy.
It's, yeah.
I guess this is the chef's knife. The real mama jamma. I don't know. What does Cody say?
He says a lot.
This one also feels real stabby, real, I don't know.
Stabby.
Real Japanese, like. What do you think?
We're not sword fighting.
We're not sword fighting, no, but it does.
Yeah, no, it's nice. I like it.
All right, so now we have to cut some stuff with them.
All right, what are we going to
What do we have to cut? Let's see, what do we have?
You want to cut tomato?
We have tomato. Potatoes.
Oh, do the potatoes.
All right, so let's see how it cuts the potato.
It's tougher than I thought.
Let me give it a
try
shot.
it. Like, I don't know. I'm expecting like maybe you put more pressure down on the knife.
Maybe I'm just a better cutter than you.
Maybe.
Yeah, I mean.
I don't know. I get.
For it to be a potato, I think it goes through
Don't
like
cut them too thick.
Pretty effortless. Oh, what are we cutting these for again? Oh yeah, the potatoes.
Well,
we're cutting these for something.
These are for something.
Potatoes au gratin.
Not testing them.
All right, we'll keep cutting.
With this one, I'm gonna try this one.
The chef knife. La chef.
See, I think this one's better.
Yeah, look at these little extra forks. Let me give this one a shot.
Try. I also don't like this counter height to cut with. That makes a difference for me.
Yeah,
because I'm shorter.
That's true.
So.
So now tomato. We would use maybe the chef knife and the paring knife. I don't think we need the big
Butcher knife.
meaty guy. All right, let's see what we got.
Try the chef's knife.
Let's see what we got. All right.
You were making bruschetta.
bruschettas.
You're gonna end up dicing it.
Yeah. Went right through. You wanna give it a shot?
Oh yeah, no, that's good. Do this.
Yeah, it went like right through.
Oh, try the paring
knife. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, this one cuts good.
Huh?
Look at that. So don't cut your fingers off.
I sorry. I like this one so far. I mean, maybe it's just because we're using the right tool for the job, but I think that one so far cuts the best. But potatoes are tough. I think no matter what, potatoes are tough. So.
Bless you.
I'd say overall, based on the amount of based on the amount of money we spent, I think that these are phenomenal. I mean, they were a couple $100, so I'll put a link somewhere and take a look at all the products they have. But I mean, so what do you think? Even though you didn't pay for them, what do you overall quality?
We collectively paid.
We collectively paid for them.
I have a knife. Remember, we collectively paid for them. I like them. They're sturdy. I'd like more of a variety in the type of knife, but they're heavy. They cut well.
They feel good in the hand. I think that's what I like the best about them.
And they're not too heavy, where you feel like you're losing control as you're cutting.
Yeah, I mean, like we bought other knives on like Amazon that like had like good ratings, and they were supposed to be like Japanese steel, and they weren't, but or carbon or something like that. Like this guy. And I don't know. I feel like these are much better. They feel better. The quality feels better. The blades look cool. I don't know. Maybe just because they're machined on one side.
The test will be see how long they stay nice and sharp.
The test will be to see how long. Yeah, for sure. Because these only lasted like what, a year?
Yeah, if that. Don't know.
So there you have it, Mr. Kamikoto. You, sir. You have some pretty decent steel knives. To be honest, I would probably buy another, more like the style you like, whatever style that is.
I don't know, chef knife.
Chef knife.
We're just gonna go with that.
We're gonna go with that. But I would suggest them, and I will be back. So that is our very first episode of Nelson's Notes. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We will be back reviewing anything kind of food related, knives, kitchenware, cooking. We will be cooking. She will be cooking.
We will be cooking.
She will be cooking.
All right.
Till next time.
Bye.